3, 4, 5.
What's up, guys? Just got back home, and as you can see, I didn't come home empty-handed. I got this really, what I think is nice, compressor. I'm not really much of a Benz person. For those that know me, and I mean, you know, looking at this channel, you know I'm not much of a Benz person. But this 230, C230 compressor, it's really nice. Like, it was a really nice buy. This thing, it even got the original book in here. Look how clean this is. It's so clean. It even smells brand new in here. Oh man, I love it already. But let me get it off the trailer and then we'll go through it. Okay, just gotta go to the trailer, and this thing is nice. It is really nice. Starts up, purrs very well. Little four-cylinder. A little four-cylinder these things come with. Yeah, no, it runs really well. Whoever had this thing took very good care of it. As you can see, this thing is like super clean. Popped open the trunk. The only thing that was in here is just this little bag with 2 waters. I guess they thought that the new owner would be thirsty. So I got 2 waters. 2 waters. But I'm gonna take the old battery out. The trunk is like minty clean. Original spare is in there. I'm gonna pull that battery out. Get a new battery in here. Got the original CD player from Mercedes in here. Check this thing out. Whew. Just clean up the carpet a little bit. Seats are perfect. Seats are nice. Small little stain there, but that's easy. All the original equipment. This thing, like, everything is mint. Everything works. I'm gonna clean this trim up here. You can see it was broke. See if I find one to put on there. Look at that back seat. Looks like nobody ever even sat back here. The carpet is mint clean. The car literally smells brand new. And as with Mercedes, you know, they always got the first aid kit. So the original first aid kit still back there, minty fresh. Got the sunroof. This thing is clean. Wheels are mint. Let's give this thing a little detail. Let's zoom out a little bit. Whew. Yeah, that looks good. Come on this side. Fresh. As I told you before, the original booklet is in there. Glove box. This thing looks amazing. Not that much to do, guys, except for just clean it. Everything is straight on this. But before I lock the trunk, because it's electronic, before I lock the trunk, I'm going to pull that battery out. Get a new battery in there. This thing will be good to go. What's up, guys? So I got about halfway through washing and detailing this machine, this Mercedes, before I even realized it. I didn't even give you guys no content. I was like, oh my God, how selfish am I to not even give you guys no content on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. I mean, as you can see, this side is already all detailed up, washed. You know, I've been waxing. I still didn't even polish the wheels yet, but they're already shining. This thing is looking amazing. Before I had, I had a lot of watermarks on the window. All those watermarks are gone. I haven't done this side of the car yet, so you could kind of see some of the watermarks, and you can see some of the watermarks here on the metal part. But if you come around the other side, all the trims, they are freaking glistening. They're all glistening, smooth, no watermarks on the side of those trims anymore. I mean, as a matter of fact, this thing is like mirror finished. Check it out, mirror finished. So it's coming along really nice. It's coming along really good. The only thing with this car is it looked like it might have went through a hailstorm, because if you come down, you can see some little dimples. You could kind of notice some little dimples there on the trunk. Very little dimples here on the hood. Very little here. And then you could kind of notice some dimples here on the trunk part. That's the only thing, but I mean, you take 2 steps back, this compressor is looking clean. Clean, mean. I'm not really sure what I want to do with it yet. If I want to keep it or if I want to sell it. I kind of have too many cars, and I'm only one person. So it might have to go, but I'm gonna finish detailing up this side, and then this, put it under. I'll just letting the car cover dry, because there's no reason for me to have this Ultima covered. I'm gonna put the car cover over it because the garage is filled. But let's continue waxing this up. Oh, that sun is shining off of it. Really nice. You can see a lot of the watermarks came out of this trim here. Same with the windows. Mirror finish on all the chrome. Mirror finish on all the chrome. You can see yourself in that. This thing cleans up nice. Old girl cleans up pretty nice. I haven't even showed you guys the inside yet. Check out the inside. I haven't even touched it. Inside is, with the exception of this trim, this broken piece of trim, and that little tear, this inside is immaculate. Immaculate. It has about 130,000 miles. Seats are clean. Carpet clean. The back, it's like nobody ever even sat back here, ever. The back is clean. Clean. Yeah, really nice. Really nice inside and out. I'm gonna go over this section right here a little bit more. get out a little bit of this imperfection on the clear coat here. But it looks good. Let's go under the trunk. I mean under the hood. I keep saying under the trunk. I don't know why. Under the hood, clean, red top compressor engine. Everything works, AC, everything as it should. Nice car. I think it'll make a nice daily, no? Alright, well, I'm gonna get started on the wheels. Got some ways to go, but almost there. Lights on the dash, idle smooth, ready to go. Alright guys, so that wraps up another car to the stable. When I saw that Mercedes, I was like, you know what, it looked really nice. It just looked like it needed a little TLC, and sure enough, you know, I gave it the TLC, and I mean, it's really clean. And I'm new to Mercedes. I don't really actually like Mercedes. I had one, you know, years ago, but I don't know. Maybe you guys could let me know, you know, what could be done with this particular kind of car, or if it should just be a regular little daily or something, or maybe I'll just sell it. I mean, if one of you guys are interested in it, maybe I'll let it go and stuff. But I definitely knew it was something that I wanted to pick up, and you know, I drove it around a little bit already and drives really nice. But guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you like that car, and you know, until the next time, thank you. Smash that like button, and peace guys. All right.